In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Perplexity AI for your SEO needs. By following these steps, you will be able to identify the right keywords, understand search intent, create a structured outline, generate content, and optimize it for better performance. Begin by finding a keyword relevant to your niche. In the search bar, type best keywords for. This will help you discover trending keywords that are pertinent to your field. Once the results appear, select one keyword that stands out to you, as focusing on a single keyword will allow for more effective content creation. Next, it is essential to understand the intent behind the keyword you've chosen. Type in the search bar, what is the search intent of your keyword? This will clarify whether the intent is informational, transactional, or comparative. Knowing the intent will guide how you approach the content and tailor it to meet the user's needs. After understanding the intent, it is time to create an outline for your article. Enter the command, create SEO blog outline for a. The AI will generate a structured outline, which typically includes headings such as H1, H2, and H3. This outline serves as a roadmap for your article, ensuring that the content is organized and coherent. Following the outline, the next step is to generate the actual content. Type write full article based on this outline. The AI will produce a draft that you can then edit. It is crucial to review and refine the content rather than copying it verbatim, as this will help personalize the article and enhance its quality. Improving your content is vital for standing out from competitors. Use the prompt, how to make this content better than competitors, to receive suggestions. The AI may recommend incorporating examples, statistics, or clear explanations to enrich your writing. Consider these suggestions carefully to elevate your content's value. Once the content is polished, focus on crafting the meta tags. Input the command write SEO title and meta description. This will help generate an attention-grabbing title and a concise description that accurately reflect your article, optimizing it for search engines. The final step is to establish internal links that enhance the article's SEO performance. Type in suggest internal links for this article. The AI will provide relevant internal links that can be included, helping to improve navigation and user experience on your site. After completing all these steps, you can confidently publish the article on your website. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.